everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix camera not working on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage. After click on storage, click on clear cache. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.